Welcome back to another edition of Friday 5 here at White Island Volkswagen. We have entered the month of August. I will let you guys know the new car specials next week during that video. Plenty of used car specials, plenty of inventory, plenty of new vehicles for you guys to check out this week. 5 beautiful cars, all ranging as always in different models, years, sizes, and price tags. I know you guys are excited to get into the video. Let's check them out. First up, we have a 2021 Volkswagen Atlas Cross Sport SE. It's got 134,521 miles on it, black interior, 21 and 24 miles per gallon, Bluetooth, backup camera, blind spot, heated seats, massive vehicle. It's got only one owner on it and is retailing for $18,697. And now we have another VW. This is a 2020 Volkswagen Tiguan SE. It's got 87,167 miles on it, black interior, 23 and 30 miles per gallon, heated and powered seats, Apple CarPlay, blind spot, backup camera, and a clean Carfax, and it's retailing for the very affordable price of $16,875. And another Volkswagen. This one is a 2022 Volkswagen Jetta S. It's only got 12,982 miles on it, barely used. Black interior, 31 and 41 miles per gallon. It's got Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, backup camera, blind spot, heated mirrors, one owner, and a clean Carfax, retailing for $19,814. And now we are looking at a 2022 Volkswagen Taos SEL. Top of the line trim, 48,415 miles on it, black interior, all-wheel drive, 28 and 36 miles per gallon, really good for an SUV. It's got navigation, premium Beats audio, all the safety features you could ever imagine. Heated and ventilated seats, heated steering wheel, clean Carfax, only one owner, and it's retailing for $22,687. Finishing us off here is a 2023 Volkswagen Atlas Cross Sport SEL Premium R-Line. 19,428 miles, black interior, all-wheel drive with the V6 engine. It's got navigation, 360-degree overhead camera, as well as a backup camera, heated seats, and heated steering wheel. Premium package and all that encompasses. It's got a clean Carfax and only one owner, retailing for $36,865. Thank you for watching this week's edition of Friday 5 here at White Island Volkswagen. As always, I appreciate the likes, the supports, the shares with all your family and friends that are interested in these cars. As I said in the beginning of the video, we do have plenty of new and used car inventory here on the lot, located at 6840 Springboro Pike. Come out and see us. We'll get you driving these cars and hopefully driving off the lot in your dream vehicle. I'll see you guys next week. Enjoy August. Have a good start of the month. Bye-bye.